Sons, my medicine.
We're coming, Mom. Don't you see that we're looking for them?
Yes.
Are you ready? More than ready. Ready, Mom.
This is not my medicine.
Just take it, Mom. Take it. And you'll feel better after this. Now we're here. Can you tell us what's gonna happen with inheritance now that Ivan is dead?
I just don't think it's the right time.
Why not? If we brought all the documents for you to change the will and leave everything to our name.
I'm feeling sick.
Just sign this, sign right now. Grab the pen. Right here, please.
Good evening. What happened, ma'am?
Well, we will leave now. Mom, we want the document signed.
What happened, ma'am? What is this? Ma'am, this is not your medicine. Who gave you this?
My sons.
Want some water? Here.
Pass me to the lawyer. What do you mean he's not there? Idiot. Calm down, little bro. Look, I prepared your cup of coffee like every morning. Did she sign? No, just Swanee messed it all up. Idiot! She needs to understand that since Ivan died, she's no longer part of her family. Take it easy, bro. Well, until that happens, you'll have to bake the old lady. What? You are crazy. That'll have disgust me. You'll have to do it. What? Not at all. I already gave her food, and you don't know how hard it was for me. Now that her teeth are falling, if it wasn't for her dentures, I bet we'd have to chew her food for her. We need to plan something to get rid of her. I really feel disgusted by that old hack. Calm down, little bro. We will think on something, and her fortune will be ours. Ours.
Thank you for taking me to the bathroom, Ma.
You don't have to thank me, mother-in-law. I'll help you with whatever you need.
But you know that in your conditions, you have to take more care. Since Ivan passed away, everything's so different now. The truth is, I don't know how much I'll be able to stand it.
And I miss him so much. And more when I realize that my baby will be born without his dad.
Yes, my darling, but you know what? That's why I decided to change my will. To put you and my grandson as benefits. I don't want you to lack anything.
Your sons are not happy with that. I see that they want you to change the will.
They can't do that. It's my will.
But your sons could harm you. I'm afraid that someone could happen to you. And the thing with the pills today, I don't think it was a mistake.
But they are my sons. I don't believe they want to harm their mother.
Oh, mother-in-law, I hope that you're right.
Idiot.
Son, but this food is very cold. And the baggies are so raw.
So what? You are old. You already have one foot in the casket, so we won't buy expensive food for you.
But son, when did you tell me, Dad?
Because we are tired of you.
Ivan never behaved like this.
Ivan is not here, Mom. There is no point for you to mention it. By the way, have you changed your will yet?
I won't let this one out. If you want to, I think I will split the inheritance into 3.
Understand that this one is no longer part of our family.
But she will have my only grandson.
Knowing her, I bet that baby's not from Ivan.
I can't believe this.
I hope that you change your will. I don't think you want more accidents around the house, Mom.
Gustavo, hush. Can I talk with you?
What do you want?
I've been talking to your mom, and I think that you should be more aware of her. You are her only son, and she is a very old woman.
And why do you care?
I care because she's my family. She's my son's grandma.
You're no longer part of this family. Get that in your head. Since Ivan is gone, we're not related.
I will have the son of your brother. He will be your nephew. I can't believe you're so inconsiderate.
Oh, I bet. That little bastard is not even my brother's son. Look, stupid. Don't you ever get in our way. Leave us alone if you don't want to have the same fate as your deceased Ivan.
What? Ivan? To your brother?
Just imagine what we could do with you. Get out and don't ever mess with us. It's time, Gustavo. Our mother is about to pass away.
This won't stay like this.
Of course it won't stay like this.
Gustavo!
Is she unconscious?
Of course. And I also made sure that she signed a new will.
Perfect. Let's go then, before someone sees us.
Wait. Yes, hello? Funeral services? I need one as soon as possible.
Here, brother. I made your coffee like every morning.
Thank you.
So, is everything ready?
Yes, we're only waiting for the candles to arrive.
Where's the body?
The funeral home took it. Well, that's what they told me.
They didn't suspect anything, right?
No. These little accidents are very normal among older people.
Everything's going according to plan.
That's right. Now we're only waiting for the lawyer to fulfill the last will of our dead mother.
Have you heard anything from your sister-in-law, Josué?
Not at all. I'm sure that she left the city. She's no longer a problem to us.
Well, I really hope so.
Well, let's go to celebrate. I have a surprise for you.
May God have her in her glory.
Come on, let's go. Very well, brother. We have to celebrate our amazing job.
Cheers, bro. For a brighter future.
It's tasty, right?
Kind of strong.
Well, our teamwork is over. Today, I will be the only owner of all this.
What do you mean, Gustavo?
Yes. Do you really think that I will share my fortune with you? Just like Ivan, you are only one.
What do you put in my drink?
Just some chemical that will help you to rest in peace. like the coffee I made this morning. It's a slow pump, but very effective. What is it, little girl? The coffee made you sick?
Here, brother. I made your coffee like every morning.
Oh, sons. What a shame you ended up this way. Your own grit destroyed you.
Fortunately, I could save your mother before you intoxicated her.
Darling, you know what? Come and get me. I think they do want to hurt me. Not even you could save yourselves from all of your lies.
I'll call an ambulance. Greed and envy only leads us to disgrace, to despair. It takes all the good things we have, and it only rots our heart.
And sometimes our family can be poisoned with a lot of hate.
If you like our videos, please subscribe to our channel and also click the like button. Please, thank you.